Tired of spending hours on chores that could easily do themselves? These smart home gadgets take care of the cleaning, organizing, and daily tasks so you can sit back and relax. From automated helpers to clever home upgrades, they make life smoother and smarter. All products are linked in the description below. Scrubbing tiles and grout doesn't have to mean sore arms anymore. This cordless spin scrubber does all the hard work for you with its powerful 360 degrees rotation and dual speed control. It's waterproof, rechargeable, and comes with multiple brush heads to tackle every corner, crevice, and surface with ease. Lightweight, ergonomic, and surprisingly strong, it turns deep cleaning into a quick, effortless task. This electric plunger makes unclogging effortless, no more messy manual plunging or harsh drain chemicals. With just a press of a button, it builds powerful air pressure to blast through blockages in toilets, sinks, or showers. The flexible head prevents splatter, while its eco-friendly design relies purely on air, not chemicals. A quick, clean, and satisfying fix for any stubborn drain clog. Give your eyes the rest they deserve with this smart, heated, and cooling eye massager. It alternates soothing warmth and refreshing coolness to ease migraines, puffiness, and fatigue from too much screen time. Gentle air compression mimics a spa-like massage, while built-in Bluetooth lets you unwind with calming music. Compact, foldable, and rechargeable, perfect for stress relief anytime, anywhere. Fresh herbs at your fingertips without the hassle. This smart indoor garden takes care of the watering and lighting for you, so your plants thrive year-round. Just drop in the pods, fill the tank, and let the built-in LED grow light do the rest. Whether it's basil, cilantro, or strawberries, you can grow it all right from your kitchen window. No green thumb required. Here's a mini mop that's actually genius for small spaces. This foldable handheld cleaner is perfect for quick wipe downs on desks, counters, mirrors, and even car interiors. The soft microfiber pad grabs dust, crumbs, and spills effortlessly without scratching surfaces. Plus, it folds up neatly for easy storage and comes with reusable pads, making it compact, eco-friendly, and perfect for home, office, or travel use. Wrinkled clothes before a meeting or trip? This compact handheld steamer has your back. It heats up fast, releasing steady steam that smooths out stubborn creases in seconds, no ironing board needed. The rotating head lets you steam both vertically and flat like an iron, making it perfect for any fabric. Lightweight, leak-proof, and travel-ready, it's the little gadget that keeps your outfits crisp wherever you go. Cooking meat to perfection just got effortless. This wireless WIFI thermometer gives real-time readings with pinpoint accuracy, even through thick smokers or ovens. Its dual probes use advanced sensors to track both internal and ambient temperatures at once, so you'll never overcook again. With a powerful signal, smart app control, and sleek gold finish, it's the ultimate upgrade for precise, stress-free grilling and roasting. Say goodbye to dropped screws and endless searching for tiny parts. This magnetic wristband keeps nails, bits, and bolts right where you need them on your wrist. 9 powerful magnets hold everything securely, even if you move around or reach overhead. The adjustable strap adds wrist support, keeping it comfy during long projects. Lightweight, breathable, and practicality's the ultimate sidekick for anyone who loves to build or fix things. Turn any old button into a smart one with this tiny gadget. The FingerCot Plus presses switches for your lights, coffee makers, garage doors, you name it. Just stick it beside the button, pair it with your phone, and control it remotely or on a timer. You can even tap it manually with its new touch control. It's a simple, clever way to make everyday devices feel futuristic. This air fryer takes healthy cooking to a whole new level. With its clear 360-degree glass bowl, you can watch your food crisp and roast to perfection from every angle. No toxic coatings, just pure, family-safe materials that cook clean and taste better. It even cleans itself with a simple soap and water cycle. From fries to rotisserie chicken, its 9-in-1 presets make every meal effortless and delicious. Night trips to the bathroom just got a fun upgrade. This motion-activated toilet light switches on automatically when you walk in, softly illuminating the bowl so you never have to fumble in the dark again. Choose from 8 glowing colors, or let them rotate for a playful rainbow effect. It installs in seconds with a flexible arm that fits any toilet. Kids love it, and adults secretly do too. Breathe easier with this smart air purifier that does all the work for you. Its 3-in-1 filtration system, carbon, and pre-filter captures dust, smoke, and pet dander, leaving your air fresh and clean. It even monitors air quality in real time and adjusts automatically for the best results. You can control it right from your phone, set schedules, or check air levels anytime. Quiet, powerful, and effortless. This isn't just an alarm clock, it's your personal sleep assistant. With built-in white noise, nature sounds, and gentle wake-up lights, it helps you drift off peacefully and rise refreshed. The 2-phase alarm eases you awake instead of jolting you out of bed. Want total darkness? Blackout mode keeps your room calm and screen-free. Plus, it doubles as a Bluetooth speaker for your favorite nighttime playlists. Tired of your favorite clothes looking worn out from fuzz and pilling? This rechargeable fabric shaver brings them back to life in seconds. With 3 adjustable speeds, it handles everything from delicate sweaters to heavy upholstery without snagging a thread. The LED display shows battery life and speed, so you always know what's going on. And with fast Type-C charging, it's always ready when you are. Worried about what's really on your fruits and veggies? This smart fruit and vegetable washer deep cleans your produce using only water and a pinch of salt. It creates a natural cleaning solution that removes pesticides, dirt, and bacteria safely. Just drop it in, press a button, and let it work its magic in minutes. Portable, quiet, and rechargeable. It's your new kitchen essential for fresher, safer food. Forget old-school tape measures. This digital one brings precision into the future. It uses a smart laser and a rolling sensor to measure flat, curved, or even odd-shaped surfaces in seconds. The built-in display gives instant readings, and you can sync results straight to your phone via Bluetooth. Compact, rechargeable, and sleek, it's the kind of tool that makes every DIY project feel high-tech and effortless. Keeping your household organized just got way easier. This giant touchscreen calendar brings all your family's schedules, chores, and meal plans together in one sleek display. You can sync it with your favorite calendar apps, assign chores with reminders, and even plan weekly meals right on the screen. It's like a digital command center for your home, simple, smart, and totally customizable. Links are in the description. Step out of the shower and into pure comfort. This towel warmer heats your towels, robes, or even blankets in just minutes, wrapping you in cozy warmth after every bath. Its large bucket design fits multiple oversized towels, while heating coils around the walls keep everything evenly toasty. No cold spots. You can set timers, adjust heat levels, and even add aromatherapy for that spa-like touch right at home. Drying dishes doesn't have to take over your whole counter. This expandable dish rack stretches when you need more space and folds down when you don't. Water drains neatly into the sink through its angled tray. No puddles, no mess. Sturdy stainless steel keeps it rust-free and spotless, while non-slip feet hold everything steady. With spots for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils, your counter finally stays clean and organized. If you're the kind of person who loves that soft, chewable ice from your favorite drink shop, you can now make it right at home. This nugget ice maker starts producing crunchy, pebble-style ice in just minutes. With one simple button, it runs automatically and even cleans itself when you're done. No refilling trays, no hassle, just endless restaurant-style ice ready for every drink or party. Laundry doesn't have to be a hassle anymore. This foldable mini washing machine lets you wash small loads anywhere at home, in a dorm, or even while camping. Just pop in your clothes, pick one of the quick wash modes, and let it handle the rest. It even has a spin basket for faster drying. When you're done, it folds flat and slips neatly into a drawer or suitcase. Your cat's bathroom just got a serious upgrade. This self-cleaning Litterbox does all the dirty work automatically, no scooping, no smells, no mess. Its open-top design gives your cat a comfy, stress-free space, while smart sensors pause cleaning if your cat walks in. You can even track everything through an app, from litter levels to cleaning cycles. It keeps things fresh, tidy, and totally hands-free for you. Cleaning floors just got a whole lot smarter. This cordless vacuum and mop combo tackles both wet and dry messes in one-go crumbs, spills, even sticky disasters. It automatically adjusts suction and water flow as it cleans, so you don't have to guess what setting to use. The dual-tank system keeps dirty and clean water separate, and when you're done, it cleans itself with just one press. Effortless, spotless, and totally hands-free. Who says raking has to be a workout? This push lawn sweeper glides effortlessly over your yard, collecting dry leaves and grass with its spinning rake-like brushes. You just walk, and it does the sweeping for young cords. No fuel, no noise. The adjustable height lets you fine-tune it for your lawn surface, grabbing more with every pass. It's lightweight, easy to push, and makes cleanup almost fun. Bending over with a dustpan after every sweep? This touchless vacuum does the dirty work for you. Just sweep debris toward it, and the built-in infrared sensor instantly sucks it upon buttons. No bending, no fuss. You can switch to manual mode for detailed cleaning with the hose, too. With powerful suction and a HEPA filter, it traps pet hair, crumbs, and dust while keeping the air fresh and clean. Subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.